Hello students, welcome back to the third video of this playlist. So in this video, we will be solving the third question of October 2024 Pure Mathematics 2 paper. So we know, we are solving the Pure Mathematics 2, the most recent past paper of Pure Mathematics 2, that is October 2024 P2 paper. So let's see what's the third question of this recent paper is about. So basically, the concepts behind question number 3, it's from algebraic methods that has been discussed in the very first chapter of your Pure Mathematics 2 textbook. So in order to be able to solve this question, we need to have idea about the factor theorem, the remainder theorem, and also how to do the algebraic long division. So let's get started with question number 3. Okay, so right at the beginning there is a function f of x which is given as f of x equals 2x cubed negative x squared plus ax plus b, where a and b are integers. Okay, fine. Given that when f of x is divided by x plus 3, the remainder is 55. Okay, so this is based here they are saying that when f of x is divided by x plus 3, it ends up giving remainder what? 55. Fine. So part A is asking here to show that 3a minus b equals to negative 18, 118. Okay, so fine. Since they said what, when f of x is divided by x plus 3, it gives remainder 55, so we can use what, the remainder theorem, right? So according to the remainder theorem, what it would be? F of negative 3, right? So let's find f of negative 3 because x plus 3 is there. So we will put what, negative 3 into the function f of x. So what you will get, 2 times negative 27 and then plus what, negative x squared, negative 9 and then plus ax, that is negative 3a plus b. Okay, so if you simplify it, what you will get, negative what, 54 negative 9, that would give you negative 53. So b minus 3a negative 54 negative 9, it will give you negative 63, not negative 53, negative 63. Okay, so the remainder theorem, what, the remainder is what, f of negative 3 equals to what they said, it is 55. So what we can write here is that b minus 3a equals to what, b minus 3a negative 63, this is equals to 55. Okay, so take 63 to the right side, so b minus 3a would give you 55 plus 63. 50 plus 60 is 110 and 3 plus 5 is 18, so 100 what, 18. Okay, now multiply both sides by negative 1 because they wanted 3a minus b in this format, so this is equals to negative 118, and that's what exactly part A has asked to show. Fine. Okay, next is part B. Given also that 2x minus 5 is a factor of f of x, so we need to find the value of a and the value of b. Okay, so a factor of f of x is given. Okay, so we can apply what, the factor theorem to find out another equation in terms of a and b, so that we get what, simultaneous equations, isn't it? Okay, so f of 5 over 2, f of 5 over 2, it is equals to what, it is equals to 0. So if you put 5 over 2 into the equation, what you will get, 2 times 5 over 2 cube is 125 over what, 8, and then negative x squared, that would give you 5 squared over 2 squared, which is 25 over 4, and then plus ax. So plus 5 over 2a plus b, this is equals to what? 0. Okay, so we got 5 over twice of a plus b. 2 times 125 over 8, this is basically 125 over 4. So 125 minus 25 is 100. 100 over 4 is what? Plus 25. This is equals what? 0. Now multiply both sides by 2 and take this 25 to the right side. So you will get 5a plus 2b, it is equals to negative 50. So we got two simultaneous equations, isn't it? Now we can solve these two simultaneous equations using either elimination or substitution method. So let's use the elimination method, that would be more fast. Okay, so 5a plus 2b, this is equals to negative 50, and there let's multiply the equation that we got in part a by 2. So you will get 6a minus 2b, this is equals to, this was 50, isn't it? This was 50. Okay, so negative 118 times 2, this is negative 236, and then we will add the two terms. So if you add them, you will get 11a, it is equals to negative 286. So the value for a would be what? Negative 286 divide 11, this is basically negative 26. So we got the value for a. So what would be the value for b? You can put it in any of the equation. So let's put it in there, because here b is what? Alone. If you take b to the right, you will get 3a plus 118. So 3 times negative 26 plus what? 118. So what you will get? 3 times negative 26 plus 118, it gives you what? 40. So we got the value for a, negative 26, and the value for b is what? 40. Done. That's what part b has asked for. Fine. Okay, next is part c. Part c is asking to find the quotient when f of x is divided by x minus 7, and it said hence, that means we need to use the answer of the previous part, which is part b. Okay, so we need to find out the quotient. So definitely, to find out the quotient, we need to divide f of x by x minus 7. That means we have to use what? The algebraic long division method. Okay, to what? Divide f of x. Okay, so for part c, we got f of x as what? We can use using what? Algebraic long division. What you will get, the equation of f of x is 2x cubed negative x squared, 2x cubed negative x squared, and then negative 26x, and the value for b was 40. Yeah, this is the f of x. Okay, so we need to divide by x minus 7, isn't it? Okay, so what we need to have on the quotient at first? 2x squared, right? 2x squared, so that we have 2x cubed there, and negative 14x squared. Okay, so 2x cubed cancels out, and you will have 13x squared there, and then take negative 26x down, because there are two terms in the divisor. So, and then plus what? 13x, right? So that we get 13x squared here. So 13 times 7, this is what? 91, negative 91x, So negative 26 plus 91, that would give you what? 65. Okay, 65 x plus 40. So 65x plus 40, what we need to multiply here? We need to multiply by 65, isn't it? So plus 65. Okay, so if you do so, what you will get here? 65x minus 7 times 65. This is 455. Okay, 455, and then we get remainder, what? 40 plus 455. This is 495. 495. So we got remainder. Now, in order to complete this what long division, what we will do? We will multiply the divisor by plus 495 over x minus 7. Okay, why we are doing this? So that we can have 495 there, and the remainder becomes 0. Okay, so we got remainder 0. That means our long division is what? Done. Okay, so as f of x is divided by x minus 7, f of x over x minus 7, it ends up giving a quotient of what? 2x squared plus 13x, and then what? Plus 65 plus 495 over what? X minus 7. And that's what exactly part C, the last part of question number 3, has asked for.